how Huawei became Nigeria's biggest telecoms vendor and enterprise business. When Huawei launched in Nigeria in 1999, 2 years before its telecommunications revolution, very few people could have predicted it would become the country's biggest telecoms vendor and build one of the country's biggest enterprise business. In 1999, it entered a market with other big-name players like the Chinese multinational ZTE, Nokia, the Finnish giant, and Sweden-based Ericsson. While ZTE and Ericsson have trimmed their operations in the last 2 decades, Huawei has been on the rise, expanding its carrier and enterprise business, a roll call of ambitious projects. Huawei has sold servers and storage solutions for top Nigerian banks like UBA, Zenith, Access, and Fidelity. Other traditional banks Huawei serves include Keystone, First Bank, Unity Bank, and FCMB. The company has secured other significant deals in Nigeria. Galaxy Backbone, a government-owned internet IT shared services provider, is one of its biggest clients. Huawei has also handled projects for the Lagos State government, the Nigerian Ports Authority, the Central Bank of Nigeria, Nigeria National Petroleum Corporation, and Ikeja Electric. It was also a technical partner for the Nigeria Customs Modernization Project in 2022. Before Huawei, there was Ericsson. Ericsson was the market leader among mobile telecommunication vendors in Nigeria since 2009, and the Swedish company's biggest clients were MTN and Airtel. At the time, Nokia and Alcatel had already lost significant market share and were beating a retreat. But things began to change in 2014 as Huawei began its march to dominance by poaching several Ericsson employees. It then went after its Swedish competitors' clients next. With this style of business, they were able to win over a lot of the market share that Ericsson had very quickly. It was also very easy for mobile telecommunication companies to swap out Ericsson to save costs. Unlike Ericsson, which only catered to telcos, Huawei had bigger ambitions. Jack of all trades. Huawei's primary strategy is to sell one solution to a client and then ensure it upsells all its other inventory. The company likes to position itself as the solution for every client. Huawei also offers cloud services. Opay, the Chinese fintech, is set to run on Huawei's cloud architecture. Huawei's government play. Huawei entered the government and enterprise business in 2015. The shift to enterprise was strategic, considering Nigeria's place as the company's most important African market. Huawei now handles major contracts for the Nigerian government, and in 2023, the company was awarded the National Productivity Merit Award by the Nigerian government. Yet, Huawei's success story in Nigeria is not without controversy. There have been allegations of poor pay and exploitation of workers at Huawei Nigeria. Despite these issues, Huawei has been unscathed reportedly because of its close relationship with the government. One thing is clear, Huawei is here to stay. If it retains its market share, despite the presence of some new upstarts, the company will continue to profit massively from Nigeria's huge telecoms market.